I ran a whole mile just to tell you I found the top 3 Sui wallets to use on mobile. So let's get straight into the video. So for my first option, I highly recommend trying out Nightly Wallet. They're a underdog in this ecosystem and they make Sui the best experience with easy UI UX. So when you first open the app itself, you'll be seeing the home, the NFT, the swap, and the browse feature. So on the home page, it'll be showing you your Sui, USDC, whatever tokens or whatever coins you have on that wallet right there. And I just think it looks best with how they make it look. It's just very clean and simple to use. Next, we have the NFT scene, and this is why I have this wallet at the very top of my preference, is you're able to bundle your NFTs. So on certain wallets, when you have multiple NFTs, it will just layer each of them straight off and not bundle them. But in Nightly, you're able to bundle the NFTs. So for example, if I have 15 sheriffs, it'll bundle 15 in one folder compared to every single one, because that just gets clunky and it's really hard to navigate to see which NFTs you actually have in the wallet itself. Next is their swapping feature. They have a built-in swapping feature powered by Aftermath. Oh, so good. If you also haven't used Aftermath as an aggregator for swapping, I highly recommend it. Next is their browse. Also, you're able to put in websites right here and connect instantly through Nightly. And one of my favorite parts about browse is you're actually able to, from here, explore the whole Sui ecosystem. So they will show you what is poppin', DeFi, NFTs, marketplaces, whatever your heart desires. They have something there for you to explore in the Sui ecosystem. And last but not least, they actually have partnered with Keystone. They are a cold storage wallet company, something like Ledger. I prefer them actually over Ledger and other different cold storage wallets. They work a lot better and it works amazing with Nightly. So definitely check out Nightly and Keystone. Oh hey, and for my second option, I highly recommend checking out Phantom. Hopefully everybody knows about Phantom, but if you haven't, Phantom is probably the most popular crypto wallet in the whole Web3 industry. They're multi-chain and they recently added Sui for beta testing. I made a full video going over the full Sui ecosystem. In later videos, I'll be going over even more in depth on certain apps that you should try on Sui. Also, probably people say Sui, but it's actually Sui. Okay, that was weird. I don't know why I did that. But Phantom is super easy to navigate. They also have a super simple UX UI, which is why everyone loves Phantom compared to other mobile wallets. Number 3, Sui Wallet. Yes, Sui has its actually own wallet called Sui Wallet by Misted Labs. If you don't know who Misted Labs are, they're the people that help make Sui good. Okay, I gotta stop doing that. That is weird. But yes, they have been working so hard on improving the wallet itself. So I actually did a full wallet review on them a long time ago, which was 16 minutes, and they have improved so much. Way better UI. You're able to actually see your DeFi staked and what positions you have. Next, they also have a swapping feature right there, and you're also able to buy Sui in the app itself, which is a super nice feature. And they also have a NFT page and a browse feature where you're able to explore the full Sui ecosystem. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was super fun to make. I want to make a lot more detailed videos, really exploring more of the Sui ecosystem itself and just helping you guys navigate Sui overall. I've been on Sui since basically 2 months after mainnet and I loved every single bit of it. So if I can make your life easier with education content, I will. My name is TREVIN, or TREVIN versus NFT, but don't worry, because I will see you in Web3. Why do I point like that? That's so weird.